Hello friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at Healthy Kadhai. Today we'll be making mango and corn salsa. This is a perfect, quick and easy side dish which you can serve this summers. It's a very healthy salad recipe which has very less calories as well. You can serve this with chips, nachos, or even you can serve this directly as a salad. So let's quickly see how to prepare it. I hope you are liking our videos. Please do subscribe to Healthy Kadhai if you have not subscribed till now, and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. To begin with, we'll first microwave corns just for 1 minute. After microwaving, we'll cool down the corns completely. Then let's start to prepare our salsa. For this, in a bowl, we'll combine all the ingredients together. So firstly, we'll add our diced mango. These are the ripe mangoes. Into this, I'm also using these raw mangoes. Believe me, these raw mangoes give very nice flavor to any salad, any salsa you prepare. Then we'll add chopped tomatoes and chopped onions. This is a very simple salsa. Then we have added few chopped capsicum. You can even use red or yellow bell peppers in it. Add fresh coriander. After that, we'll add our corns. You can use sweet corns or any other corns you want. To this, we'll add salt as per your taste. To add to the flavor, I'll also be adding chaat masala. However, chaat masala is completely optional. And then we'll roll out a lemon. Here goes my lemon juice. Little more lemon juice, and finally we'll mix everything nicely. Isn't that a very simple salad? This is simple, pure and refreshing mango and corn salsa. So that's about it. My very yummy and nourishing mango corn salsa is ready. Let me taste it. It's really yum. The flavors of ripe mango, raw mango, corns, all the veggies, it's coming out very nice. Try making this salsa recipe and I'm sure you will really like it. I hope you liked today's video. Please do give it a try and share your views with us by writing to us in the comment section below. If you want to see more such interesting recipes, then check out the links which are flashing on the screen here. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.